In this video, I'll guide you through advanced methods to fix apps not opening in Windows 11. Whether it's Microsoft Store apps or third-party apps, these steps cover everything from quick fixes to deep system repairs. Follow carefully, and by the end, your apps should be running again. Let's start simple. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Scroll down to Windows Explorer, right-click, and select Restart. This refreshes the system shell and often resolves cases where apps refuse to launch due to stuck background processes. Next, clear the store cache. Press Windows key +R, type wsreset.exe, and press Enter. A black command window will appear for a few seconds. Once it closes, the Microsoft Store will relaunch automatically with a clean cache, which often fixes app launch issues. If one app won't open, repair or reset it. Open Settings. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find the app, click the three dots, then choose Advanced Options. Here you can try Repair First, which fixes the app without deleting your data. If that fails, select Reset, which reinstalls the app completely. Make sure your system is updated. Go to Settings, Windows Update, then click Check for Updates. Many app problems are caused by bugs that Microsoft fixes in the latest builds. If the Microsoft Store itself or other built-in apps won't open, you can reinstall them. Search for PowerShell, right-click, and run as administrator. Paste this command and press Enter. Don't worry, this command is in my description. This reinstalls the Microsoft Store, fixing corruption and missing files. Now, let's repair system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run these commands one by one that are on the screen. The first checks and repairs system files, while the second restores the health of the entire Windows image. By following these advanced steps, restarting Explorer, resetting apps, repairing the store, checking services, and scanning system files, you should be able to fix almost any issue where apps won't open in Windows 11. If nothing works, consider a full system reset as a last resort. I hope this guide helps. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed Windows fixes.